Welcome. In front of me I have Huawei P Smart 2021 NFC, and today I'll show you how we can turn on this feature with volume down double press. So we have to go for the settings, and when we are in the settings we have to tap on the search pool and type snap. Let's go for the ultra snapshot, and as you can see we can use it as open the camera or just take a snapshot. So for example, I would like to take a fast snapshot on the lock screen. So let's set it up like that. Then just simply go back, then lock your device, and then you just check it out. What is going to happen? So as you can see, when you make something like that, you'll get the snapshot. Let's make another one because here's nothing interesting. Let's take a photo of the AirPods. And as you can see, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.